Five little ducks went out to play in the meadow on a sunny day. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks splashed in the pond, chasing tadpoles here and beyond. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks found a mud slide, slipping and sliding, what a wild ride. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks danced in the rain, jumping in puddles, oh what a game. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. One little duck went out to roam, saw some butterflies and followed them home. Mama duck called quack, 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 and all five little ducks came back.